We're here at Joshua Tree National Park in California. And we're about, just a few hundred feet in on the Hidden Valley Nature Trail walk. It's a little bit of a hike, it's nothing crazy. It's probably fine for all ages. There are easy paths that you can take, and then there are a little bit more adventurous paths that you can take. But it's not really all that crazy. Just a little bit of like easy bouldering. But because we're in Joshua Tree, as you would expect, we've got Joshua trees, which look like they're straight out of a Dr. Seuss book. So we're going to just do a little bit of mountain goat jumping here to get down. Sorry for a little 360 spin, but now we're down on the ground. And emerging back onto the main trail, you can actually go a little caving here as well. A little nook. It never rains, but should it actually rain, you could just hide out here. And we have got Joshua trees. Well, there you have it, just a little taste of the Hidden Valley Nature Walk in Joshua Tree. Thanks for watching.